Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to download CV from LinkedIn on mobile. Let's go! LinkedIn mobile app. This is important because having a CV ready can help you apply for jobs quickly. It also ensures that you have an up-to-date record of your work experience and skills. First of all, open up the LinkedIn mobile app. Then tap on the profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. Then tap Settings at the bottom left. Once you are on the Settings page, tap Data Privacy. Then scroll down until you see an option called Job Application Settings. Now tap on it. Now you'll see your CV right here to download it. Simply tap on these three little dots next to the CV. Then tap Download. This is exactly how you can download a CV from the LinkedIn mobile app. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.